Hello everybody. Today what we have here is a Chestnut Brown 5-blade Hunter original ceiling fan from 1997. I picked this fan up at the Fanimation group meet back this year. This fan came 100% complete. Actually, I can't say that because it didn't come with the mounting bits and a switch cap, which I provided this spotlight. I don't know how many amps this motor is, but without further ado, let's get to it. This fan is in very, very nice shape, except for the little chips around the switch housing, which is really not that big of a deal. It's pretty common with the painted finishes on Hunter originals, but other than that, it's really nice. I wouldn't typically use this type of light kit for this fan just because it's not my personal preference, but I mean, had to put something on it. The spotlight is a 1-2, so I don't have a light bulb in that one. Bring it to medium. As per usual, it's moving insane amount of air. The USA made 5-blade originals are probably my favorite originals for some odd reason. I don't know why they decided. You couldn't tell, I have 1, 2, a few down there. This one upstairs. There's a bunch of them. Should be a tag. It's moving in really good air. Let's crank her high. I don't do spin down anymore. It irritates me too much. Thanks for watching.